These assemblies are a symbol of our One Vanderbilt spirit and a chance for us to take stock of all of our accomplishments and to reflect on the vital importance of our work. I truly believe that times of upheaval tend to bring out the best in humanity, and this is continuously exemplified by Vanderbilt staff. You have stepped up as a community of compassionate and thoughtful individuals. You have been diligent and consistent, innovative and adaptive. Our success this year was never guaranteed. It was the result of your hard work, perseverance, and expertise. Here at Vanderbilt, we believe in the power of human potential for our students, faculty, and staff. You are driving our mission to support world-class scholarship and provide an empowering education to the leaders of tomorrow.